Hey everyone, it's Josh, Grassroots Outdoor Work. Today we got a kind of a different job. So if we look at this, this is an old mobile home trailer. It is too big for the recycling company or the dumpster company to fit inside their dumpsters. This thing's about, I don't know, 40 some feet long, 43, 45 feet long. We're gonna cut it up with a acetylene torch set, put it on the deck over trailer. The trailer is 20 foot, 16 foot with a 4-foot dovetail. We're going to get it all stacked up on there today and take it to the recycling yard tomorrow using the Bobcat CT 2040. I've got ProWorks attached with Grapple. It's an off-brand. It's pretty beefy. It's probably too heavy for this tractor. And we're going to use a little bit of ballast, 6-foot box blade, Bobcat box blade on the back, and that should do it for us. I'm going to try and cut this into as big a pieces as possible, so probably split it just in half, cut all these tabs off of it, and try and make it salvageable and usable. This customer is just purchased this property. They pulled the trailer off it, and we're going to take this chunk, these corner pieces here on both sides off here as well, cut the hitch hitch assembly off of it, and they're going to build a firebox out of it, so it'll give them two pretty good angles, corners. And then this straight piece of angle is on the back here. I've got an idea for that. I'm going to keep that piece and use it as a drag instead of always using a box blade, or to have a little bit of extra counterweight on some stuff. I might make some hooks that I could just chain it right to the back of my box blade and go from there. But I'm going to set you guys down, probably mount you on the tractor. I don't have the GoPro today. I think I can do pretty well with this setup, and just going to use the good old iPhone for this. Anyway, let's get cutting. Start making progress here. Got most of the mangled parts taken off of it. It's actually not been that bad. Just excavator, when they took this thing apart, really tried to mangle it down. So Grapple's doing pretty good. I got some trying to separate this out and smash it down with the bucket so it makes it a little bit smaller, so I can get it all piled up there. Well, that about does it for the day. We're gonna get out of here, go home, eat something. We'll come back for the tractor after I offload the scrap. Luckily the yard's open tomorrow, and see you guys next one. Thanks. Just all kinds of cool stuff that used to be cool for somebody, and now it's just garbage. Washers, dryers. This is probably a 1957 Chevy hubcap in there somewhere. That's crazy.